Welcome to week 9. We are almost there this term, but don't worry, the RDO program has still got lots of opportunities to bring you together to meet your colleagues and your peers, and also to practice some of the skills that you have been developing over the past 9 weeks. This week is all about getting to know your peers, opportunities for networking, and to build that community. So we have networking for researchers. We have always our Kumo space open for you to collaborate. We also have our Research Café this week happening in the evening, so please do keep an eye out for information that will come out via Twitter and on Teams. And also we have a session called I'm Stuck, an opportunity for you to bring a problem to your peers, and we will do our very best to help you, to help yourself to solve that problem and to become less stuck, in fact to become unstuck. So if you're interested in any of these sessions this week, please do, as always, sign up using SkillsForge, and remember, if you are unable to attend, please cancel your place. But if your diary suddenly becomes open, you can always join us at the last minute using the tiny URL available on the Teams site. I look forward to seeing you all again this week.